This is your power vent. It's called a 4-inch power vent. Open up the box and you'll see the big housing. This front flange on the outside it's fixed. So you cut yourself a 7-inch hole, square hole, slide the unit in, caulk the flange, and attach your 4 screws to the house. And now this is sticking through the wall. Then you go in and you take this little rim off, run your electrical wire through the indoor flange, line this up over this little tube and put this on, and it'll slide up to whatever thickness your wall is and attach the 4 screws. This pipe is meaningless. If you want to, you can cut it off. It's to deal with gas and oil furnaces. Obviously, we don't need it. So then you put the yellow plug on the end of the cord, now that you got it through the wall, and then you hook up the speed control to it, plug the speed control in, plug the speed control into the power strip. It runs separately on its own. And then when we start it up, we'll set the draft accordingly by setting the speed. You get a 4 to 6 reducer that goes right on the 4-inch stainless steel pipe. You can hook your 6-inch flute pipe right to it. You also get a little bottle of Mobil 1 synthetic oil to oil the motor when you service it in the spring. Then you'll get a fume sensor. This is a safety switch. This is very important. This goes on the back side of the stove, on the right side, right below the hopper. You'll see a big bolt coming in the back of the stove. You take that bolt out, take one of these nuts off, and screw this sensor right in the back of the stove. Once you've got the sensor mounted, then you'll take the male end and plug it into a power strip. Take the female end and plug it into your black control box. The cord that goes on the top of the black control box, instead of it going to the power strip, it comes to the fume sensor. So you're going to feed your power from the power strip through the sensor and into the thermostat control box. This sensor will shut down the feeder if it senses that the power vent's not venting the stove properly. That'll happen by opening up a thermal switch. This little black box has a thermal sensor in it that'll break the current going to the feeder control box. This little square is your reset button, and obviously if you want, you can reset it through the hole without taking the cover off. So once you find the problem that's caused your unit to shut down, maybe cleaning, needing cleaned, or whatever, then you reset the button and everything should start back up.